Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po, si Brian E. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, November 29, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating itutuloy ang ating series which is about leading by example in the family. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about faith and resilience. At ang ating scripture po is manggagaling sa James chapter 1 verses 2 to 4. Sabi po rito, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its works, so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything." So ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa mga katuruan na aking natutunan mula sa araw na ito. Una po, effective leaders demonstrate resilient joy. Yung resilient joy po, it is the ability to maintain a positive and hopeful attitude even in times of difficulties, in times of challenges. So this shows your inner strength and it can inspire others para gayahin ka rin in times of challenges, makatulong pa sa kanila kung ano ang dapat nilang gawin. Ikalawa, effective leaders demonstrate faith in God. So, pananampalataya po sa Diyos, it provides foundation for confidence. So, enabling leaders to trust His plan and remain steady during uncertainty or adversity. Ikatlo, effective leaders demonstrate perseverance. So, to perseverance po, it is the determination para tayo po ay mag-push forward despite sa mga obstacles, sa mga delays, sa mga challenges na piniface natin. So, inspiring others through steadfast commitment to the goal. So, ang isang effective leader nagpapakita po ng perseverance, nagpapakita ng resilient joy, and an effective leader dino-demonstrate po ang pananampalataya sa ating Diyos. So, paano po natin ma-apply itong tatlong katuruan na ito? Ano po? Exemplify resilient joy. So, maintain a gratitude and a positive attitude even in difficult situations. So, dapat when we face difficult situations, when we have challenges in our lives, let's still remain gratitude and have a positive attitude. So, huwag po natin kalimutan na merong Diyos na naka-back up sa atin. So, ngayon na nalaman mo to, ang trabaho mo is to encourage others para gayahin ka nila and they can find solutions and opportunities instead of problems. Ikalawa, exemplify faith in God. So, you pray and seek God for guidance kapag ikaw ay nagdedesisyon sa iyong buhay. So, tiwala ka sa kanyang pangako. Huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa dahil ang Diyos palaging alam kung ano ang the best para sa iyo. So, let your faith guide your actions and your leadership. And lastly po is exemplify perseverance. So, natili po tayong committed sa ating mga goals even when yung progress minsan parang mabagal yung progress natin. Still, tiwala tayo sa Panginoon. Challenges may arise, pero huwag natin kakalimutan na ang Diyos, yung plano niya is yung the best para sa atin. That's why lahat ng nangyayari is merong dahilan. So, you demonstrate determination and you can inspire others like that. So, you keep moving forward. So, marami po tayong tutunan ngayong araw na ito.